Hello, everyone. Welcome back to SpeakEasy FM.
Hi, it's so good to see you again.
I'm Stacy.
And I'm Ian. We're here to help you practice your everyday English.
If you enjoy this video, please give it a like and subscribe. It helps us so much.
It really does. Today's topic is a fun one. We're going to talk about transportation, how you get from one place to another.
This is such a useful topic. Everyone moves around somehow, by bus, by car, on foot. So let's get into it.
1 second. Here's a quick tip. If you'd like to listen more slowly or shadow each sentence, tap the settings icon on YouTube, choose playback speed, and pick the speed that feels most comfortable for you. All right. So, Stacy, how are you doing today?
I'm great, thanks. A little out of breath, though.
Out of breath? Why?
I ran the last block to get here. I almost missed my bus this morning.
Oh no, that's stressful. Did you catch it?
Just barely. I was the last person to get on before the doors closed.
That's a close call. How was your weekend?
Really nice, actually. I visited my grandparents on Saturday and just stayed home and relaxed on Sunday.
That sounds lovely. Mine was busy. I helped my brother move apartments.
Oh, moving day. That's exhausting.
So exhausting. But it's done now, thankfully. So, how did you get here today, besides running?
I took the subway. Just 2 stops, though, so it was quick.
Was it crowded?
Very crowded. It's morning rush, so everyone was squeezed in together.
I know that feeling well. I came by bike today.
You biked here? That's great exercise.
It is, and the weather was perfect for it. Sunny, not too hot.
Do you usually bike to work?
Most days, yes, unless it's raining. Then I take the bus instead.
That makes sense. Nobody wants to arrive at work soaking wet.
Exactly. A wet bike ride is not a fun way to start the day.
So let's talk about how you usually get around. What's your normal way to get to work?
I bike most days, like I said. It only takes about 15 minutes, and I get my exercise done early.
Multitasking. I like that. I usually take the subway. My apartment is right near a station, so it's convenient.
How long does your trip take?
About 20 minutes door to door. Not too bad.
That's a good commute. Do you ever drive?
Almost never. I don't actually own a car.
Really? No car at all?
Nope. Living in the city, I really don't need one. Everything I need is reachable by subway, bus, or walking.
That's smart, honestly. Parking here is so expensive.
It really is. I'd rather spend that money on other things.
Fair point. Do you ever take taxis or rideshare apps?
Sometimes, late at night when the subway service slows down. Or if I'm carrying a lot of bags.
That makes sense. Bags and public transportation don't always mix well.
They really don't. Have you ever tried an electric scooter? I see them everywhere now.
I have actually. They're fun, but a little scary in traffic.
I agree. Cars don't always see them.
Exactly. I use them sometimes for really short trips though, like if I'm running late and walking would take too long.
That's a good use for them. Quick and easy.
What about longer trips? How do you usually visit your grandparents?
I take the train. It's about an hour-and-a-half ride.
An hour and a half? Do you find that long, or is it relaxing?
Honestly, I love it. I bring a book, I look out the window at the countryside. It's actually one of my favorite parts of visiting them.
That sounds peaceful. I should take more train trips. I usually drive when I visit my family.
How far is the drive?
About 2 hours. It's fine, but I have to focus on the road the whole time, so I can't really relax.
That's the downside of driving. You can't read or nap.
Exactly. Though I do get to control the music, which is nice.
That's true. A small win. Do you ever travel with friends?
All the time. Last month, a few of us drove to the mountains for a weekend trip.
Oh, that sounds fun. How long was the drive?
About 4 hours. We took turns driving and we sang along to music for most of it.
4 hours of singing. Your voices must have been tired.
Extremely tired, but it made the trip go by faster.
That's the magic of road trips with friends. Time flies. What about flying? Do you enjoy airplanes?
I have mixed feelings about it.
Mixed feelings? What do you mean?
It means I have both good thoughts and bad thoughts about it. I love that planes are fast and take you to amazing places, but airports stress me out. All that waiting, all those lines.
That's fair. I actually love flying. The takeoff is my favorite part.
Really? That's the part that makes me nervous.
I find it exciting. Last year, I flew to Portugal, and it was an incredible trip.
Oh, how was it?
Amazing. The food, the people, the views. I fell in love with the place.
How did you get around once you were there?
Mostly walking. Walking really is the best way to explore a new city. You notice so much more.
That's true. Did you use any public transportation there?
Yes, the trams. They were so charming. Old and a little slow, but full of character.
That sounds lovely. Did you take any taxis?
Just once, from the airport to my hotel. It was a little pricey, but I just landed after a long flight and didn't want to figure out public transportation with my suitcase.
That's completely understandable. Sometimes paying a bit more for convenience is worth it.
Exactly. What about you? Have you traveled abroad recently?
I went to Italy 2 years ago. I mostly used trains to get between cities.
Oh, the Italian train system. How was it?
Pretty good, actually. Comfortable seats, and the views between cities were stunning.
That sounds wonderful. I really want to do a multi-city train trip like that someday.
You should. It's a great way to see a country. So what's your favorite way to travel overall?
I think trains, hands down. You get space, comfort, nice views. It just feels relaxed.
That's a solid choice. I think mine is biking, honestly. It's simple, it's healthy, and it makes me feel free.
I like that. What's your least favorite?
Definitely a crowded bus during rush hour. Everyone's squished together, no personal space.
Oh, I completely agree with that one. What about your absolute least favorite?
What's yours?
Motorcycles. They make me really nervous. I'd rather have 4 wheels under me than 2.
That's fair. Safety first. Have you ever been on a boat?
Yes, I took a ferry to a small island last summer.
How was that?
Honestly, magical. The water was so blue and the breeze felt amazing.
I'm a little jealous. I've never traveled by boat.
You should try it sometime. It's so relaxing. Although, I'll warn you, sometimes the water isn't calm.
What happens then?
The boat rocks a lot, up and down. Some people get seasick.
Oh, that doesn't sound fun at all.
No, it isn't. But on a calm, sunny day, it's the best.
Maybe I'll try a short trip first, just in case.
That's probably wise.
What do you do when your transportation is running late?
Oh, I get a little anxious. I keep checking the app for updates.
Same here. When my bus is delayed, I usually message whoever I'm meeting and say, "Running a bit late, sorry."
That happens to all of us. Nobody can control traffic or train delays.
True. Have you ever lost something while traveling?
Actually, yes. I lost my favorite sunglasses on a train once.
Oh no, did you get them back?
Sadly, no. I called the train station, but nobody had found them.
That's such a bummer. I left my phone charger on a bus once.
Did you get it back?
Nope, gone forever. Lesson learned, always double check your seat before getting off.
Great advice. Always check for your bag, your phone, and anything else you brought. Let's dream a little. If you could have any kind of transportation, what would it be?
Honestly, a helicopter. Just to skip traffic completely and fly straight to wherever I need to go.
That's a fun dream. Mine is a little simpler. I'd love a really nice electric car. Quiet, comfortable, good for the environment.
That's actually realistic. Mine is definitely just a fantasy.
A fun one, though. Imagine just flying over all that traffic.
Exactly. No rush hour, no delays, nothing.
Maybe one day, technology will get us there.
Maybe. For now, I'll stick to my bike.
Okay, we've talked about so many ways to travel today. Let's go through some really useful words and phrases.
Great idea. Let's start with commute.
Commute is the regular trip you take to work or school every day.
For example, my commute is 15 minutes by bike.
And mine is about 20 minutes by subway. Tell us about your commute in the comments.
Next, rush hour.
Rush hour is the busy time in the morning and evening when everyone is traveling at once.
Roads get full, trains and buses get crowded. It's called rush hour because everyone is in a hurry.
Nobody loves rush hour. It's always better to travel before or after it if you can.
Next is on foot.
On foot just means walking. For example, I go to the bakery on foot because it's close to my house.
Simple, healthy, and free.
Exactly. Next, public transportation.
This means transportation anyone can use, like buses, trains, and subways.
It's better for the environment and often cheaper than driving your own car.
Speaking of cars, let's mention gas. That's the fuel for cars in American English.
In British English, they say petrol. Both words mean the same thing.
Good to know if you're traveling to different English-speaking countries.
Next word, fare. This is the money you pay for a bus, train, or taxi ride.
For example, the subway fare here is pretty affordable.
Or the train fare to the coast gets expensive in summer.
Next is route.
A route is the path that a bus or train follows.
For example, this bus route goes straight through downtown.
Always good to know your route so you don't end up somewhere unexpected.
Next, delay.
Delay means something is late. My train has a delay means my train is running late.
Super useful phrase, especially for texting someone you're meeting.
Definitely. And finally, platform.
A platform is the area in a train station where you wait for your train.
You'll usually see a number like platform 6, and that's where you head to wait.
Let's repeat them all together. Commute, rush hour, on foot, public transportation, gas or petrol, fare, route, delay, and platform.
That's 9 great words. You don't need to remember them all today. Just pick 2 or 3.
Let's try one together. Stacy, how's your commute usually?
My commute is short, but sometimes there's a delay on the subway line.
Perfect example. Try making your own sentence in the comments. All right, let's wrap up everything we covered today.
We talked about so many ways to get around. Biking, taking the subway, driving, trains, planes, and even boats.
We talked about our daily commutes and how we get to work or visit family.
We compared our favorites and least favorites. Trains and bikes won, crowded buses and motorcycles lost.
We talked about traveling abroad, walking through new cities, and using public transportation in other countries.
And we learned some really useful words: commute, rush hour, fare, route, delay, platform, and more.
A lot of vocabulary today, but as always, just take it one step at a time.
Try using one new word this week. Maybe when you're actually traveling somewhere yourself.
That's the best way to remember it.
Okay, time for our favorite part, the question of the day.
Today's question is, what is your favorite way to travel and what does your daily commute look like?
You can keep it simple. I go to work by bus, or I walk to school.
Or you can make it longer. My commute is 30 minutes by train and I read books during the ride.
Any answer works. We just want to hear about your life and get some good English practice in.
We read every single comment, so don't be shy.
It's also great writing practice. Try to use one of today's new words if you can.
Thank you so much for spending time with us today.
We really appreciate it. Learning a new language takes time, and you're doing great just by showing up and practicing.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend who's also learning English.
And don't forget to subscribe to SpeakEasy FM so you can catch our next video.
We'll be back soon with another everyday topic.
From both of us,
Keep learning, keep practicing.
and have a wonderful day.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.